Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Monday, February 11, 2013. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 353. Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 59. We had 49 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and no new 52-week lows. For the volatility, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio in Feb was bullish 3.072 with 27% of the total premiums paid. March and April, both of them neutral readings with 48 and 16% of the total premiums paid. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. We have basically a flat day here today, down almost one handle. Pretty flat here. We finished at 1517. I'm still looking for 1522 as our next upper target here for SPX. For the Qs, we're almost touching our target on Friday. We did not get there for 10 cents. I'm still looking for 68.25 and even breaking out higher for the 70 level. For IWM, here we have it. Bullish chart here, flat for the day. I'm still looking for 92 as our next upper target here. For GLD, here we have it. This is the weekly chart. As you can see, the 100-week moving average has been acting as support pretty nicely since last summer, and this week we're starting to break down here. As you can see, we are breaking below that level. That level is 160.51. We're right now at 159.70. So let's keep an eye on that level here. I'm looking for 149, 150 on the longer term here on the weekly chart. Now let's go to the daily chart for GLD. You can see here the gap lower. We broke the 200-day moving average, and short-term target is 158. We've been talking about that level for the last couple of days. For SLV, we talked about watching to see which were we going to break it down or break up. We broke down. Look for a 29.71 resistance support level. If we break below that level, we may be looking for 28 quarters and even lower. So keep an eye on that 200-day moving average for SLV. For GDX here, you can see how this sell-off has been going on. We're right now some type of support here at around 41.40. Below that level, I would start a short pretty nicely around to the 40.30. Around a $1 short for a 2 or 2.5% gain with a very tight stop. For Google, here we have it. Very nice, coming out, closing almost at the highs of the day, which was pretty good here. We closed at 785 last week. I'm looking for 785, 790 on the next couple of days. We've talked about the 800 level on Google may be coming here on the next couple of weeks, so watch for that 800 level. For Apple, we were up almost 1% today again. Pretty nice upward pattern here. We've been going higher. We broke the first descending trend line we had here, connecting from January 2nd and January 23rd. So that's important that we broke there. We were able to hold above it. And our next target would be around 783 and then 483 and 493. That's going to be the next two targets here on Apple if we're going to be able to break that above those levels. For Facebook, here we have it. We're at support here. We broke the 50-day moving average Friday. We continue to be below that level. I would try to start maybe some shorts here with a pretty tight stop once we break this support line. For Amazon, here we have it also breaking the 50-day moving average. We have some support right here. I think we're still going to the 251 level. We're going to have to watch and see, but I'm willing to start maybe getting some longs around the 150 level with a tight stop